Let us analyze the scatter plot, regression line, and the correlation coefficient. We have set of points given here, say from A through J, and we are trying to fit a line for the scatter plot what we have using these points. So we get a line y equal to 0.64x plus 1.99 with a coefficient of 1. It is pretty good because these points are all almost close to the line, and hence it is very strong. Suppose if I move these points, see slowly, we just observe the equation y equal to 0.51x and the coefficient. The coefficient changes, the regression line also changes, the slope changes. Here, when the slope changes, accordingly the correlation coefficient also changes. It reduces. Now I move those points, and now see it is almost 0. So when it is parallel to the x-axis, it becomes 0. Again, when I start moving these points, it looks like this equation changes to a negative slope where the coefficient is also negative. See, the coefficient reduces further, and then it comes closer and closer to say negative 0.8, negative 0.9, etc. So it is almost negative 1. See, when I move these points, it comes closer and closer to negative 1. This is still it has a strong relationship, but it has a negative slope, so the coefficient becomes negative in this case. So when we move these points of the scatter plot, the equation changes and the correlation coefficient also changes. So we have seen an analysis of how the scatter plot will look like, what is the form of the line, what is the direction of the line, how the correlation coefficient changes according to the slope, whether it is positively associated or negatively associated, whether it has a strong relationship or a negative relationship. So in this video, we have analyzed the scatter plot, the regression line, and the correlation coefficient. Hope this video was very helpful. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening.